In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the TradingView arrow tools. If you've ever wanted a quick, clear way to point something out on your chart, like an entry, an exit, or a key level, arrows are perfect. They're simple, precise, and instantly understandable, whether you're reviewing your own analysis or sharing it with others. Start by moving your attention to the toolbar on the left side of your TradingView chart. Look for the arrow tool there. TradingView groups similar tools together, so if you don't immediately see a standalone arrow icon, don't worry. Find the small caret on the sixth icon in that left-hand bar and click it to expand the group. When you open that group, you'll see a list of arrow-type tools bundled in one place. This keeps your workspace tidy and makes it easy to switch between related tools without scanning the entire toolbar. From that list, click on the arrow tool you want to use. The names may vary a bit, but they all serve a similar purpose, helping you point from one place to another on your chart. Choose the one that suits how you want your arrow to look or behave, and you're ready to place it. Now, placing the arrow is straightforward. Depending on the arrow you selected, you'll click once to set the first point. Think of this as the base, or where the arrow starts, and then click a second time to set the end point, which determines the direction and length. Your first click anchors the beginning, and your second click tells the arrow where to point. That's all there is to it. The tool will draw the arrow between those 2 points, so it's clear what you're highlighting. A couple of practical tips as you place it. Choose starting and ending points that make the intention obvious, like the base at the beginning of a move and the tip at the target you want to emphasize. Keep your clicks deliberate so the arrow doesn't overlap candles or labels you still need to read. If the result isn't quite what you wanted, simply try placing it again until it looks right. And there you go. You've opened the arrow tool group, selected the arrow you want, and placed it with 2 clicks. It's a quick way to add clarity to your chart without clutter. Use arrows to guide your eye to the most important parts of your analysis, and your charts will be easier to read at a glance. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using the TradingView arrow tools.